Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Ice Cream Beauty Box for October. And yes, I can give you guys a little review because I have been playing around. So before we get into the unboxing, just FYI, stick around, subscribe, because this look from these products, that video, once I edit it and everything, will be available. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and we embrace the hot mess. Because my 16-year-old started driving this week, and mom has thrown herself into work so much that my back hurts because I like to not think about how my 16-year-old is on the roads. Not that they're a bad driver, they're actually very, very good, but it is the whole letting go. I'm not really good at it, so there's that. So anyways, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I'm a Gemini with ADHD, and I'm going to take 15 left-hand turns, maybe a right-hand turn. I may circle back, but there's just never a guarantee. So just remember your disclaimer. You chose to click on a channel where the first word was hot mess. I don't know what you thought you were going to get, but you're definitely not going to get it prim, proper, and put together. Okay? I can guarantee you that. All right. So before I get into the unboxing, I do want to give a shout out to Glow Skincare. Now this video is not sponsored, but they did send over a bunch of their skincare items. If you follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen everything. So I want to go over real quick. They have a Protect and Prevent line. And in the line, you're going to get a Sea Shield Anti-Pollution Drops, Moisture Tint, and an oil-free SPF 40. Y'all, I don't care, even if you're indoors, you definitely need your sunscreen. I'll have this link down below for you all as well. They also have their Firm and Repair line as well. This is a BioRenew EGF Drops. Their Epidermal Growth Factor Cell Repairing Serum. You better bet your sweet booty I'm gonna be trying all this stuff out, and I will be keeping y'all posted, friends. And they also have the BioRenew EGF cream. So they got the drops and the cream available as well. If you guys have tried out these skincare lines with Glow Skin Beauty, definitely let me know. And then they also have the Brighten and Glow. This is the Hydra Bright Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant and the Hydra Bright AHA Cleanser with Lactic and Moringa Brightening Cleanser Gel. Definitely intrigued by these products, 100%. And then last but not least, I can't wait to try this out. My skin, oh, it's been going through it. I mean, it's finally kind of started to calm down, but this is the Glow Brightening Glow Hydra Bright AHA Glow Peel. So they've got like a little QR code on here as well to kind of show you, as well as directions on how to use this. Y'all, this I cannot wait to try out. I'm like beyond excited about this. So it says, give your self-care ritual a professional upgrade. Yes ma'am. So I will have everything linked down below for you all as well, but thank you so much to Glow Skin Beauty for sending this over. Follow me over on Instagram because I will be putting these items to the test, and of course if you are subscribed, then you will see my empties video as well, and I'll give you guys an update through there. Don't forget, there is a giveaway going on. No, wait, is there? No, not yet. You guys stick around. The last giveaway just ended. Okay, and shout out to Jennifer. Congratulations, Jennifer N. I'm not going to say your last name. She was the winner. The giveaway went beautifully, so stay tuned. There is a giveaway going up this week. I'm actually going to be filming the video after I do this unboxing. The last giveaway went so freaking well that I'm like, let's do another one. This was amazing. So anyways, a little information about the Ice Cream Beauty Box now that we're like 4.5 minutes in. This box is a monthly subscription. I forgot to pull it up on my phone, so I want to double check the price for you all. I want to say it's like around $25, I think. My candles smell absolutely amazing. I've just got Witch's Brew sitting back there. Have you guys picked up Martha's fall candle collection over at The Good Candle? Y'all, you only got like a couple more weeks. I think it's November 8th or 10th or 11th. That's the end of her fall candles, and I'm like, oh my gosh, no. So better stock up now. Okay, so the Ice Cream Beauty Box is a guarantee of a palette in every single box. If you want to go ahead and sign up, code HOTMESS will save you 10% off of your box. And how do I sign up and tell you guys how much it is? Oh, you can actually shop past palettes too. Did you guys know that? Every so often you can do that. That's awesome. Shop our store, subscribe, you can shop past boxes. So it's $25 a month, and you are always going to receive a palette and a bunch of other things. I've told you guys from the get-go when I started unboxing Ice Cream Beauty Box, this is one of my favorite subscriptions for being a hardcore makeup lover. Like, don't get it twisted. I love me my skincare, but I feel like we see a lot of skincare in other subscriptions. If you are wanting a makeup heavy subscription, Ice Cream Beauty Box is definitely where it's at. This was sent over to me in PR, so thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this my way. You are gonna get a little piece of paper in here telling you everything that's in here, the retail value. This is October, season of witch. So the first item I have to show you all, I'm so excited over this palette. It's by Detto Cosmetics. It has a retail value of $30, and it's what I have on my eyes today. Now you're gonna see when I edit the video, I literally start panicking and have to remind myself to trust the process. It's just makeup, it washes off. It's not that serious. Calm the freak down, shut the freak up. It's gonna be okay. But this formula, this palette and everything was just absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the front of it looks like, and then of course you have the back and everything. And then when you open it up, you do have a mirror. It's in your like standard type of cardboard packaging, and this is the color story. I know, first glance you're like, oh gosh, Rhonda, that's not your colors. Oh, you want to know something else? Y'all, I use the blues in this palette. Okay, so funny enough, I started off like going very neutral with the palette, and then I even added colors that were like very pointless in the eye look at the end of the day. But I feel like as I graduate, I guess you could say, more into colorful looks, I have to do what makes me comfortable in order to get to that colorful look. You know what I mean? So I use legitimately this whole bottom row, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, these two shades. I use like a lot of the colors. Oh, this, if I didn't point out, I used everything. I love the formula. I felt like the formula was, especially dealing with someone who's having like anxiety over using the colors, they performed beautifully. I had no issues whatsoever. The only thing I will say is I feel like I really have to rub to get the glitter off, which isn't a big deal or anything, in all honesty. To me, it's just not a big deal because at the end of the day, I was just tapping it onto my lid, and I feel like, in all honesty, if you had like glitter glue, you could put that on there and then pack that on and it would be just fine. So anyways, that was the only thing I could say about this palette, but it's a beautiful palette, but you probably would get a more of a better payoff if you used a glitter glue, which I think a lot of people do, except I forgot to do that. So you see it? Oh, so pretty. My lashes are actually from Gerard Cosmetics. Code HOTMESS will save you 30% over at Gerard Cosmetics. Hopefully they're live on their site. Oh, and my jewelry is from Bubble Bar as well. All right, next, I've got the swatches. I figured, why wipe it off? I literally just finished filming this look. Next is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Nourishing Lipstick and Oui Cherry. And these are the shades. I'll show you what they look like. I honestly thought these were going to be like a balm with not much opacity to them. Y'all, they actually have a good amount of opacity. I have them on my lips. I did put a little bit of my truffle lip gloss on there, but they're so cute. They come in this kind of like plastic component. They have a retail value of $19 for this trio. And do you all see? It's like it has, I don't know, there. It has a little heart in the center where it's kind of like a lip conditioner. And they are absolutely beautiful and they're comfortable. So this is what all the shades are going to look like. And I mixed this one and this one today. I didn't do this one because I felt like after I realized how opaque they were, I was afraid that they were going to be like fighting with my eye look, and I just wasn't about that life. So I just mixed the outer two colors, added a little bit of my truffle. I did line my lips with my Detto Cosmetics chestnut and colored it in with the shade Silk, and I love these. These are just beautiful. Next in here, we did get a makeup tool, and this is a Paris Tools foundation brush. It does have a retail value of $30. It does have a little lid on here. Now, in my try-on video, I told you all that I actually have these oval brush, like the collection, and then my husband had bought one. I can't even remember the name of the brand, like back in 2015. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a giveaway for you all because I have a lot of these brushes. And the next thing in here that I felt like you could even use this brush with this product, this is also by the Beauty Crop, and this is called the Beauty Crop Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops, and it has a retail value of $19. And I'm so sorry, this little lip trio actually has a retail value of $24. I'm dyslexic, so things jump around. So these little drops you could actually mix into your foundation if you want, and that's why I figure I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in a giveaway too, in a future giveaway. The current giveaway that will be going on is not gonna be these products, so these will be in a future giveaway. But I felt like this was perfect that they put this into this box. So just, you can mix your foundation with it. You could probably even just put it all over your face, kind of like you do with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. You could probably do that as well. But if you want a little bit more glow, mix it in your foundation too. Then you're gonna have a tool as well. And then last but not least, and I have this on as well, is the Marabella Black Eyeliner. This has a retail value of $20, and I flippin' love this. Now, in the try-on, I was talking to you all about how I'd received this either in a past ice cream box, and I love these. It is like the perfect gel liner. I love this. So I have this on my tight line, which is my upper lid line, and then on the bottom I have like a bronzy chocolate liner. But I love these because every time that I go to do my mascara, even if I'm not putting false lashes on, I always line that tight line with a black liner to help make my lashes look a little bit fuller than they actually are, because y'all know, I mean, your girl wore lash extensions for 1.5 years, so I've been doing my best to grow these puppies back out. And the perfect way to do that is put a black liner on that lid, put your mascara on, and it definitely just, it's beautiful. So that is everything in the Ice Cream Beauty Box for October, and I love this box. I love the fact that you didn't just get one lipstick, you got flippin' 3. They're great colors, they're more on the neutral side, and then the beautiful thing about this red shade, y'all, like you guys see it, just dab it onto your lips, and you're going to get this beautiful like popsicle kiss. That's the red, I grabbed the wrong one. A beautiful like popsicle kiss to your lips. I mean, I wonder if you could put it on your cheeks as well. Y'all know how I'm like so into cream products. Apply it directly to the lips from the middle to, okay, so it doesn't say anything about the cheeks, but it's beautiful. It says no parabens, no mineral oils, it's certified cruelty-free and vegan, enriched with a cherry extract and jojoba oil. I don't smell any cherry. No, I don't smell cherry at all. But anyways, I love that because I feel like I'm getting 3 items instead of just 1. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's like 7. You know what I mean? So anyways, that is everything in this month's Ice Cream Beauty Box. Like I was telling y'all, you can go and do some shopping as well, and they heavily discount everything, and you can check out the past boxes as well. This is just $25 a month. I definitely feel like you're getting your money's worth. I feel like they're one of the few boxes that are kind of keeping their prices like where we enjoy them. So we really feel like we're getting a lot for our money. So thank you again to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this over my way. If you guys are curious about my base makeup, foundation, concealer, all of that, it's actually the SEINT makeup. I have a color match form if you do want color match down below in my description box. stick around because I think it's tomorrow when my giveaway video will be going live. So you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you all so much for helping to support this channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and I do have another channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do a ton of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there, and I will be doing giveaways over there too. I'm so excited we figured out how to do giveaways where you're safe, I'm safe, everybody's safe, and no shady business is going on. Always just a friendly reminder, y'all, that there has been, I don't know honestly who they are, what they are, or whatever, but they are taking creators' profile pictures and making what looks like us, and commenting under your comments saying like, congratulations, you're on the short list of winners. Catch me over on this whatever social media, or catch me over here, email me here. It is funny business. Don't do it. They're not trustworthy. It's not me. It's not the other creators. I know there's a lot of creators out there that are dealing with that. So that is why I put together the giveaways the way I have, where everything, you know it's me when you get my tracking and all of that. So anyways, I'm rambling. I'm hopping off for now. I'm gonna jump off and film the giveaway video for you all, but stay tuned for more, and until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!